Hello, and welcome to the Digital Transformation course. In this lesson, you will understand the blueprint of adopting digital transformation in business and its benefits. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the meaning of being digital, describe digital transformation and why it is needed, discuss how digital transformation impacts key industries, explain how being digital is different from just adopting technology, describe who is affected by digital transformation, list the key technologies that are disrupting the digital landscape. It is rightly said that strategy, not technology, drives digital transformation. Adoption of upgraded technology does not ensure digital success. As per the 2015 Digital Business Global Executive Study and Research Project by MIT Sloan Management Review and Deloitte, strategy is the key driver in the digital arena. Being digitally fluent doesn't refer to being a master in technologies. It actually calls for the ability to articulate the value of digital technologies to the organization's future. Digital transformation is about transforming how a company operates and engages with customers by leveraging technology and data. Companies today need to continuously find new sources for customer value. Earlier, value proposition was defined by the company. Today, value proposition is being defined by changing customer needs, as the customer is now the center of any business decision. The major transformation occurs in areas of business models. Organizations need to reorient their strategy to transform their business model, technology, data infrastructure, processes, as well as culture and mindset, all geared toward constantly finding new sources of customer value. Technology and process. Increasing digital adoption among tech-savvy customers is changing how they discover, evaluate, and purchase products and services. This is changing how we engage with customers and create value by leveraging the latest techno-functional capabilities and redefining the value chain for serving customers. Competition. Companies are now competing not just with other companies from within the industry, but also with companies from outside the incumbent industry. They may find themselves competing fiercely with a long-standing rival in one area while partnering with the same company in another. Culture and mindset. Digital is transforming how businesses innovate. It has enabled continuous testing and experimentation. Prototypes can be built quickly and tested with user communities, allowing constant learning and rapid iteration before full-fledged launch. A strategy or a framework aligning all these areas is crucial for any organization to prepare for the change and reap the benefits of transformation. Let's look at an example where having a framework has resulted in a successful transformation. Schools are transforming digitally to enhance teaching, learning, and assessment in adaptation of the UNESCO ICT Competency Framework. Having a framework provides a common reference of digital competence for teachers and school leaders. It promotes innovative pedagogical approaches that embed the use of digital technologies. A digital transformation framework is the blueprint for an organization to move through a period of significant change caused by evolving business conditions. However, there is no framework that fits all. Companies have their own framework suited to their transformation strategy, customers, and employees. Some examples of companies that have adopted a digital framework are Cognizant, Deloitte, Audi, Mendix, and many more. But why is a framework so important? The object of any business is to continuously improve its products and services to meet the changing needs of its customers. This requires businesses to rethink their work, to continuously improve margins and decrease costs. Adoption of digital framework not only equips an organization to improve its operations, but also accepts and executes innovative and disruptive strategies. These strategies enable the company to compete in the rapidly changing market conditions that are highly influenced by changing customer expectations, technology, and new commercial models. The framework provides an appropriate strategy and roadmap that allows organizations of different sizes to grow and succeed rapidly in the changing market conditions. Let's look at an example of a digital framework. Shown here is the digital framework adopted by SAP. Sensors and the Internet of Things are playing a major role here. For SAP, the intelligence lies within the applications. What is important is the input, loads of data, and the ability to provide and deliver models that can be trained to support specific business processes. Machine learning. This is the framework that worked best for SAP based on its business model and strategy for the transformation. Although the framework is industry-specific, there are a few core elements that form a base in the framework strategy and can be incorporated into almost all of the industries. To ensure transformation at scale, it is advisable to include the three core elements. 1. People. 2. Process. 3. Technology. Digital transformation calls for a greater focus on people, not just technology. Digital transformation requires people who 1. Are creative. 2. Have complex problem-solving capabilities. 3. Are lateral thinkers. 4. Have both flexibility and agility. 5. Drive collaboration across an ecosystem. The process involved in this digital transformation framework includes researching the implications of transformation. This stage is aimed at analyzing the necessities for adopting the change and its implication to organization health. This helps in deciding whether to adopt digital transformation or not, with the required supporting documentation. Analyzing internal business environment. This involves an in-depth analysis of what organizations can do to improve the current business processes. It helps to fetch the information regarding the key improvement areas of your business to increase the sales, performance, and customer experience. Analyzing range of transformation. This helps the organization to identify the changes in the processes or business that need to be made. These changes would include processes, list of activities, and business model changes. Process prioritization. The fourth step is all about prioritizing the process to gain maximum returns. This helps to fetch a clear roadmap for the identified changes. Publicizing the transformation. This stage involves publicizing the changes that an organization is trying to bring in the digital transformation front. Implementing the change. This stage involves implementing the changes that are planned and analyzing the impact. This helps to form a trained team that is capable of handling a digitally transformed business in the future. Production usage. The final step in the framework is about making the new system available for production usage. The helps in creating a clear rollout plan with clearly identified roles, responsibilities, and timelines. Organizations are focusing on their technology infrastructure to transform how they operate and engage with customers. They are adopting various digital technologies, such as cloud, big data and analytics, IoT, artificial intelligence, robotics and automation, blockchain. The adoption is based on the need of the organization to transform its internal capabilities to deliver superior customer experience. The organizations also need to set up dynamic business models using these technologies, which is done using the digital value chain. Digital value chain enables organizations to step up dynamic business models by identifying and implementing new value-creating activities and processes using digital technologies. It provides an approach to explore new opportunities for digital transformation in how businesses operate and serve their customers. The value chain separates business activities into primary and supporting activities. Digitally transformed value chain requires change both at operational and customer level. Operational level change involves automating the entire process, right from inbound logistics to services that ensure accuracy, speed, and transparency in the process. Customer level change involves radically transforming the approach for engaging with customers by using various digital levers across functions, such as product development, operations, sales, and customer services. It transforms customer engagement across different touchpoints by making it faster, cheaper, and quicker. Let's now look at the key aspects to build a digital capability across a company. Building digital capability requires capability development around 3 key dimensions. 1. Digital leadership. It involves building strategic depth and business acumen to lead digital transformation for clients. 2. Digital techno-functional. It involves building deep expertise in latest technologies, tools, and approaches focused on seamless execution for driving business outcomes and superior customer experience. 3. Digital culture and mindset. It involves creating the digital culture, or DNA, required to sustain performance in a world of technology, business, and workforce disruption. The technologies and approaches for the 3 dimensions are listed in the table. In this lesson, you have analyzed why a digital framework is so important to prepare for the big change. You will continue to understand this further in the next lesson. Now, let's summarize what you have learned. A digital transformation framework is the blueprint for an organization to move through a period of significant change caused by evolving business conditions. The framework provides the strategy and roadmap that allows organizations of all sizes to evolve and succeed in the rapidly changing market conditions that now exist. Digital Value Chain provides a framework to explore new opportunities for digital transformation in a business. Digital transformed value chain requires change both at operational and customer level.